Navigating between slides smoothly during a presentation is a key skill for delivering content effectively. In many cases, we may want to change the order in which slides appear while presenting, for example, showing slide 3 before slide 2. Understanding how to control this navigation manually gives you greater flexibility and professionalism during your presentation. To start, you need to know how to select the slide you want to show. During the presentation, move your cursor to the lower left corner where 3 dots and an arrow icon appear. Clicking on it will bring up several options, including one labeled by title. This function allows you to choose any slide by its title instead of progressing slide by slide in order. Now, if you want to present a specific slide earlier, like slide 3 before slide 2, simply choose slide 3 from the by title list. It will immediately jump to that slide, allowing you to present the information in the order that fits your narrative best. This helps when you're answering audience questions or skipping certain parts of the presentation. After you finish showing that particular slide, you can continue presenting or return to a previous slide. If you want to end the slideshow, press Escape. If you'd like to return to the beginning of your presentation, you can also select your starting slide again through the same menu. This method provides a clean and organized way to navigate between slides and adapt your flow in real time. Mastering this technique ensures your presentations feel more natural, responsive, and professional. It's an essential tip for anyone using PowerPoint 365 during live presentations.